One of the beginner aspiring entrepreneurs' biggest mistakes is not focusing enough attention on creating a targeted mailing list of potential clients interested in buying their product or service. Indeed, when you build an email list of potential clients and customers, you have to know it is traffic you possess. No one can ban you or prevent you from communicating with your subscribers. Now, the question is, what is the best way to create your database of contacts in order to pre-sell your products or services? In this video, I want to share my point of view based on my 14-year experience selling online digital products and services. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and/or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, this video covers the strategic point of view of creating valuable content, not the technical stuff. Honestly, the tech stuff is very easy to do and there are tons of tutorials available online. What really counts is how you structure the free content in order to attract your potential clients' attention and persuade them to buy your product or service. So, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is simply the free valuable content you decide to deliver to your subscribers in exchange for their data, such as name, email, and phone number, for instance. This free content has different names, such as lead magnet, freebie, opt-in, but the concept doesn't change. Indeed, you have to give people a valid reason, and even more than one, to subscribe to your email list. Otherwise, they will not be willing to leave their data. This free content can be delivered in different forms, and it all depends on what you're going to sell, the sales process, and the price of your product or service. A lead magnet can be delivered in video, webinar, checklist, live streaming event, PDF. And with that being said, I want to make 2 distinctive examples of lead magnets that I used in real online businesses to sell different digital products. These 2 lead magnets have different psychology behind them because they have been used to sell 2 different online video courses with different prices. Let's start with the first one. In this case, I want to share with you a simple but very effective lead magnet we are still using today to sell online drum courses primarily in the Italian market. My business partner, Cristian Colusso, has created a great lead magnet with videos plus PDF transcriptions and MP3 music to help aspiring drummers play what they learn. Cristian teaches beginners how to play drums from scratch, and his primary goal is to sell his online video course Rock Pop Code, how to play rock music with drums. This online course requires an investment of only $89 and it is sold with a buy now button. The procedure is 100% fully automated, and this online course is delivered automatically to new clients 365 days per year. This lead magnet is very practical because our primary reason for creating this valuable content is to let our potential clients produce an immediate result first and let them know how the drum lessons are structured. So we are focused on producing results, a slight but tangible transformation from our client's point of view. In this case, the lead magnet is a sort of test drive with 2 purposes. Number 1, prove our clients that they are capable of learning how to play drums through an online video course. And number 2, prove that Cristian has the ability to teach them how to play drums. That's it. Always keep in mind that the lead magnet is never casual. It has to be structured appropriately based on the product and service you want to sell. And another important thing, this free valuable content should keep your prospects hungry for more. You have to elicit their desire to know more about your product or service. Now, Let's switch to the second example of a lead magnet. Let me introduce the context first. In 2018, I was selling a 3-month mentoring program priced at $5,000. My ideal clients were professionals and experts who wanted to share their knowledge and experience to help people fix their problems. In this case, my lead magnet was a 2-hour automated webinar in which I asked my potential client to fill out an application to speak with them over the phone. Now, pay close attention to what I'm going to share in the next few minutes. The key to creating high-converting webinar is to teach something without teaching. What does it mean? Let me explain it to you. When you sell high-ticket stuff, people are skeptical. They are nervous because they want to be sure to get their desired results when they invest money in your product or service. This is the main reason why most of the webinar's content is focused on changing your potential client's beliefs system, answering objections, and reassuring your prospects you can help them reach their desired results. The context becomes more important than the content, and in this case, your lead magnet must be structured differently because you are selling high-ticket stuff, and even the sales process is different. I perfectly know this is a broad topic and it requires a step-by-step process to put it into practice. If you want to know how to create from scratch the perfect lead magnet for your product or service, I urge you to subscribe to the waitlist of a special program called Freedom Business Blueprint that I will release in March 2023, in which I teach you the most high-paid digital marketing skills to create even a 7-figure business. You can subscribe right now to the waitlist. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. In the meantime, I suggest you watching this video, Master the Art of Copywriting, from strategy to execution. If you want to sell anything online and learn how to educate your prospects to become clients, copywriting is the skill you need. So watch this video now.